Welcome to Evision, India's #1 leading HR and IT recruitment company. Join Evision, join job.
This is Gayathri. I'm basically from Hyderabad and I have completed my B.Tech in Vardhaman College of Engineering in 2021, and I have taken training in Evision, and based on my experience in Evision, I can tell you that the trainers who are in Evision, they are very professional, and they have more than 10 years of experience, and Evision has helped me a lot to achieve my goals, and they also have taken mock interviews and have given the best training for my life career. It is equal to job internship. Evision teams give quick responses and updates to the trainees regarding the online classes and supporting in every way possible. So I got selected in TTEC with package of 3.35 LPA. So my warmest thanks to Evision team for guiding me and helping me complete all modules. Thank you.
Thank you, Evision.
Join Evision, join job.